Hello, I'm James Paul Cabanyeles from Landbank. What I love about Miss Tony's training is mostly yung training niya is logical, tsaka yung mga advices niya is galing sa experience, tsaka magagamit mo talaga daily. Malalaman mo talaga yung lapses mo, mga dapat mo i-focus tsaka improve since yung form ng feedback niya is sandwich. Hindi lang siya basta nagkikritik, kundi binibigyan ka rin niya ng side na maganda sa'yo tsaka yung dapat mong improve. Thank you.
Hello, I'm CJ from Landbank MD Department. What I love about Miss Tony's training is very enjoyable and well-detailed lahat ng explanation, and yung mga in-explain niya and na-discuss is magagamit talaga namin in the future. Thank you!
Hello, I'm Carol Janae Y. Martinez from Landbank. What I love about Miss Tony's training is it is very knowledgeable, at the same time entertaining. It's a good experience po na you can apply on your daily life as a corporate employee.
Hello, I'm Angelo Gabriel Hara. What I love about Miss Tony training is nag-enjoy kami. She keeps us entertained and interesting, kaya hindi kami inantok. And yung mga natutunan namin, magagamit talaga namin in our profession. Thank you!
Hello po, I'm Ron Marie Pangilinan. What I love about Miss Tony's training is sobrang nag-enjoy ako and sobrang dami kong natutunan na mai-apply ko talaga sa aking work sa Landbank. At nagpapasalamat ako sa magandang training. More trainings to come po sana. Thank you po!
Hello, I'm JM from Landbank. What I love about Miss Tony's training is realization na before kasi parang naging complacent kami, and then nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na malalaman yung mga dapat gawin and na proper etiquette dun sa mga pag-handle ng conversation with clients and sa email. And for that, Miss Tony, thank you for everything that you shared with us.